Let's ask Oliver Sloup about this spread between the December and the February and the February and the April. What do you think here?
Well, the cattle are interesting. We're a little bit pessimistic on the Februaries here in the near term, but think there's going to be value out in those deferreds looking to April and June over the long term. And one of the things that I've been kind of talking about with clients here recently is the fact that the livestock sector as a whole, and including lean hogs, is one of the only sectors in all of the markets that really hasn't gotten that shot in the arm. We've seen multiple sectors trade up to new contract highs. We talked about it in the grain markets. We've seen it in the precious metal markets. We've seen it in stocks and even Bitcoin. But the livestock sector has yet to follow suit, and I wouldn't be surprised to see that happen at the turn of the year in that first quarter. Now, obviously, February, you're going to be fighting against the clock a little bit, and that's why we like leaning on the deferreds for a little bit longer-term position out in April and June to the upside.
All right. Feeder cattle market, it's been kind of weak throughout part of the day, but we're finding quite a bit of strength here, especially over about the last 20 minutes. March up 15 at 139.90, the April down 17, the May down 12, but the August up 2. But wow, what strength over here in this front month of February. Hogs up 257 at 70.17. April up 125 at 72.32. Oliver, what do you think?
Well, it's been pretty constructive. Yesterday we had a rejection against the top end of the range near 69, but today we're getting a breakout above that. So if we can close out above those previous highs and the previous top end of the range, 69.50, which it looks like we're going to be able to, knock on wood, I think that sets us up in a really good spot to see this market continue higher into 2021. As I mentioned, look for these livestock markets to potentially be a wild card to the upside at the start of the year.
All right, Oliver. Well, thank you very much. Happy New Year to you. We will have you back tonight for the Rural Evening News. And Tammy, there we go. Back to you.